Hi guys, I'm Ilaria from Yakify, and in this video I'm going to explain how to track the success of your store. So which are the most important metrics that you should follow and analyze, and which key performance indicators, also called as KPI, can help you to create a good marketing strategy for your business. So let's start. Connect Google Analytics. First of all, to track your KPI, you need to connect your Shopify store with Google Analytics. So visit the Google Analytics website, register an account, and follow Google's instructions. Here you will find your UA code, copy it, and go back to your Shopify account. Click on Online Store and select Preferences from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and paste in this box your Google Analytics UA ID and click Save. Now check that everything's working well by heading back to Google Analytics. In the same admin view from before, right underneath Property Settings, you'll see Tracking Info. Click that to expand and then click on Tracking Code. Now click Send Test Traffic button and you're all set. Now let's enable Enhanced E-commerce in Google Analytics. To do so, navigate to E-commerce Settings in the right-hand column called View. Switch Enable E-commerce to On and then switch Enable Enhanced E-commerce Reporting to On. Save. Make your store appear on Google. Everybody wants to appear on the first page of Google, but to have a chance, first you need to communicate to Google that your website actually exists, and to do that, you need to register on the Google Search Console. Register your account and click on Add a Property. Choose URL prefix, enter your full website URL and hit Continue. Under Other Verification Methods, choose HTML tag. Click Copy. Now it's time to pass this code into your Shopify team. So go back to your Shopify account, click Online Store, click Themes, Actions, and then Edit Code. In the file theme.liquid, locate the head and the body text and pass the HTML tag code after the closing head tag and before the body tag and click Save. Go back to Google Search Console, click Verify, and that's it. From this moment on, your website is registered on Google and it can appear on the Google search. If you look to the Google Search tab, now it's empty, but in a few days will appear like this and show you under which keywords your customers found your website. Cool, right? The most important KPIs. Dropshippers often are focused on trying to get sales and looking at marketing strategies, that they lose sight of the various metrics that go along with that. With proper analysis, these metrics can have a huge impact and generate sales over time. Visit your Shopify account and click on Analytics. Here you will find all the information that Shopify gives you by default. But what are the most important KPIs that you should care about, and how can we track and analyze them? I'm sure that as soon as you see this page, your first input is to look at the total sales. But there are other important KPIs that I want you to focus on. And these are sessions, conversion rate, average order value, returning customers, and ROAS. Sessions is the metric that helps you measure how many users are visiting your site and where they are coming from. Here you can understand if they are coming from Facebook, Instagram, Google Search, or any other channels, and study the traffic that is better for your website. Not all the traffic is the same, and here we arrive to the second metric, conversion rate. Sometimes you get a lot of traffic from Facebook but no purchases, so no conversions. While you get less traffic from Instagram, but all the sales come from there. Under this slide, you will see that only bringing your customers to your website is not enough. You need to push the traffic that is the higher conversion rate. The more you increase your conversion rate, the more you increase your sales. Once you have some sales, you can look at another metric, the average order value. Also in this case, not all orders are the same. There are some orders with a checkout of $10 and others with a checkout of $50. The more you increase the average order value, the more you will profit, because it would mean that a single customer spends more money with a single action. A good technique to increase your average order value is to use upsell and cross-sell techniques. We'll speak more about this topic in the last lesson. When you create a campaign to drive customers to your website, you spend money, and for this reason it is really important to track the returning customers and ROAS. If you can retain your customers and make them return on your website to buy more, you will increase your profit and decrease your costs. Also, if your customer returns, still your ads should be profitable, and here the ROAS comes in. Return on advertising spend is a measurement of how many dollars you will receive for every dollar you spent on advertising. So it indicates if your campaign is bringing you profit or if you have to turn it off because you are losing money. Now that we know how to track the progress of our business, we can improve and broaden our marketing strategies by using Instagram advertising and the Facebook catalog. To learn how to do that, watch the next lesson, and if you like this video, please leave us a 5-star review. Thanks for watching.